Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful poncho. It's a very easy and fast project, so it's perfect for beginners. For this project I use one skein of Esagerato from Mondial. Esagerato in Italian means almost extreme. This big yarn weighs 500 grams and is 500 meters long. And I use hook number 10. Okay, first you must have the circumference from your head. My head is about 54 centimeters, so we are going to chain 42 and close it in round. Here's a little trick to keeping your chains from twisting when working in round. So we do a few chain, then insert your hook into the first chain in this loop behind. And keep it on your hook as you chain. Once completed, we pull your hook through the first and your chain will lay correctly. Now chain 2, then we do 1 double crochet into the same space here. Then we do 1 double crochet in each chain all the way around. And now we do 1 slip stitch into the first double crochet. As you can see, this yarn, it can be a little bit difficult to see the stitch, so we work 1 double crochet into this space, the space between the double crochets of the previous row. So now chain 1, then we do 1 double crochet. And continue to do 1 double crochet into each space, so it's very easy and very fast. Now we do 1 slip stitch into the first double crochet to complete this round. Okay, now continue to do this for 10 rounds more. Okay, my neck part is now complete. This yarn is very soft, and of course you can choose how high you want your neck. Okay, now we are going to increase our poncho. So first chain 1, do not count as a stitch, then 1 double crochet in the first space, then 1 double crochet into the next 5 spaces. So now we have 6 double crochets. So now we do 2 double crochets into the next space, and this is our first increase. And now we are going to repeat this sequence. So 1 double crochet into the next 6 spaces, and now we do 2 double crochets in the next one, and continue to do this until the end of this round. We do the last increase, then we do 1 slip stitch into the first double crochet to complete this round. And now we are going to increase again. So chain 1, then we do 1 double crochet into the next 7 spaces. And now we do 2 double crochets into the next one. So we do 1 increase and repeat this until the end of this row. Okay, now we are going to increase again, chain 1, then we do 1 double crochet into the next 8 spaces. Then we do 2 double crochets in the next one. And repeat this sequence until the end of this round. Okay, now we are going to increase again, and now we do 1 double crochet into the next 9 spaces. And now we are going to increase. So we do 2 double crochets into the next space and continue this sequence. Okay, now I don't have to do more increases because the poncho has gone over the shoulders. So now we are going to do 18 rounds of double crochet all around. Of course, if you want it longer, you have to do more rounds. So continue to do this all the way around, and continue to do this for 18 rounds. Eighteen rounds are now complete, so now we are going to cut the yarn and weave the tail inside the garment. Remember, you can find more information about the measurements of this poncho in the info box below. So now grab your tapestry needle and we are going to weave the tails inside the garment. The poncho bouclè is now complete. Look at these beautiful shades of color of this beautiful and esagerato bulky yarn from Mondial. This is a very easy, nice and fast project, so this is a beginner friendly project. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your poncho. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!